be showing you how you can download the Chapter Voting Tool app for your phone and also how to vote on your computer. It's going to look slightly different now than it will during our actual recruitment process because right now we're not in a voting time that hasn't been put on. So I'll just go ahead and show you and we'll get started. Okay, so you're going to go to the top right if you're on your laptop. If you're on your phone, it's similar to sign in. Mine automatically signs me in because I've been using it a lot today, but usually it'll come up and you'll just put your username and password. Then you're going to scroll down and it's going to say connect with Delta Zeta. And you see this purple box right here. You're going to click on that says member tools. And then you're going to scroll down a little bit more and there's going to be the chapter voting tool that I'm hovering over right here. So you're going to click on that. So then you're going to click on chapter voting tool again. And that is where, when you're on your phone, it's going to lead you to download the Chapter Voting Tool app. But if you're voting on your laptop, this is where it'll be. So it says, it looks like your chapter isn't currently in a voting period. Please check back when voting begins. So during actual recruitment, this will be open. It'll have all the girls that are on our recruitment roster. You'll be able to vote and put in your comments for the girls that you spoke with. And remember, we're not putting in comments about girls that we did not speak with. That's what PNMI know sheets are for. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know.